it takes more time. Like here you can check. So it takes up to 3 seconds, means on it like 300 milliseconds to run this program. So to
Mm.
run these lines, so it takes up to 300, 3 seconds means 300 milliseconds. So like it
Yes.
can't print the output.
But it take more than 3 seconds, I guess.
Yeah, it takes more than 3 seconds. So in like we're using numpy operation here.
Yes.
So now import numpy as done, right? And then run this. So and then here given a, so np dot range of, so here given 1 2, so how many values are given? So 4 8, so 4 8,
Mm.
and then we can print here.
Okay.
Here I can show here it prints like up to 1 to around 9 like it takes very less time compared to list.
Compared to list. Okay.
So that's why we use numpy operations. Like it reduces the time complexity, like it saves more time to run.
Yes. It saves more time to run. Yes.
Yes. So this is the difference
So you
between
have
like
given the array name A equal to numpy np dot. And what is the
np dot
range?
range means it's like
Range?
in list we use range function. Here we use a range.
Yes.
So it contains both are
Range.
same.
Okay.
Yes. So it is a built-in function.
What happen if we write range only
Like it
instead
shows
of a
like
range?
maybe
Error. Okay.
error. Yeah, error.
Okay. Np dot range is not like a valid
It's not a valid. So
syntax.
in NumPy we use a range function. So it takes like
Mm.
milliseconds to run this output. But in this list it can't print the output. So it's
Mm.
it's avoid to crashing it. So that's why we're using NumPy to reducing time, and then to we can print like max elements what we need.
Okay.
Like this is the advantage for NumPy. So that's why we can use NumPy for arrays.
Array. Okay.
So in basic Python we use arrays like list user for arrays only. So like in list we are removing duplicates or adding elements, like checking the element is found or not. So we done so many programs based upon list arrays.
Mm-hmm.
So if you use NumPy for some solutions, it takes like it reduces more time. So time complexity reduces.
Understand.
So in NumPy like data structures. So multi-dimensional data, multi-dimensional array. Like it is an
Mhm.
one-dimensional array. Like it contains only
Okay.
one row. So it contains
One row.
like two.
Yes.
Yes. So in like it is a one-dimensional array. Like it contains like two-dimensional array, three-dimensional array, like n-dimensional array,
Yes.
like all of this.
Okay.
So so you can understand the like what is the difference between the list and the arrays in and NumPy.
Yes. Now I understand.
Yeah, okay. Whew. We can go to like
What happened?
it's so let's start in one dimensional array.
Yes.
So considering like a equal to like np dot array,
Array. Yeah.
array of, here we are the given elements in a list like one, two,
Give
three,
it.
4. So and then
So you are giving the elements in list as a
yes,
list.
so it's
So
one
it
dimensional.
has printed array 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, so it's for one dimensional array. Like we need to check the shape of this a dot shape.
Ray dot shape means?
Like it represents like how many columns are there, how many rows are there.
Okay.
Like normally in one dimensional array we don't need. We already know how many rows. Like it contains only one row and four columns, etc.
But it only showed this four. What we can
Yeah, it
expect? It
shows
is a
like
column or
it's a column value.
it's a column value. Okay.
So in above, like we are directly given a list in np dot array of. So we can give like here some b value equal to that list.
Hmm.
So control plus, and then like a is equal to np dot array of like
NP dot
b.
array of
So and
array
then we
of
can
B. Okay. Okay. We can do also like this. Okay.
we can
We
also do
first
like
we
that.
assign a list value in a array and then
And then
we'll print that
yeah,
array.
and then so let's consider another b that equal to like we, this is for one dimensional array. We are going for two dimensional array.
Okay, we are adding two arrays. Like one
Yes,
is considering B and comma and again the another one.
yes. So this is
Okay, so these are
a
two
list contains like two rows.
two dimensions,
Yeah.
two rows. Yeah. So in
So and
first
then
row 1, 2, 3, 4. In second row 5, 6, 7, 8.
yeah,
NP dot array of B.
b and then print here.
Okay. It will gives two rows.
Yes. So it shows like it's a two dimension.
Okay.
So in
Two
first row it
rows.
contains
Okay.
one, two, three, four elements, and then in second row it contains like five, six, seven, eight. So here b
Yes.
is equal to like this list. Okay, we can like directly assign like replace with b with that list also. We can do
We can directly.
like directly insert that list in array.
Okay, we can directly insert that those two values.
Yeah,
Okay.
so it shows the same
Yes.
output. And then
This is more simpler because we
yeah,
don't need to write another line.
another line. Yes, here it shows like a dot shape. It contains like this is first row and then this is second row, and then it contains like first column, second column,
Yes.
third column, and then fourth column. So two rows
Two rows
and then
and four
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 columns.
columns. Yes. Now I understood. Okay.
And then we can do another thing like reshape of 2 comma 4.
What is reshape?
Wait, we can show the output. Okay,
Okay, it is a reverse process. It is a reverse process.
yeah, wait. And then okay. Now it shows like we are giving like it's in like two rows and four columns. We are changing this into like four rows and then two columns. Like
Rows and two columns.
so, it consider first one, two, one row, and then three, four, and
It's
another
it's
row,
like it's
and
like
then one.
what we can say. remembering.
like changing the
Uh,
dimensions.
yes, it's changing the dimension, but it's called something. I'm not remembering. In Excel, we say like H lookup. I think H lookup or V lookup,
So
like
like
that.
I think HLOOKUP is used for within the Excel sheet. Like yeah, like if we look up, it's a vertical lookup. We are using like ex- outside the
Converting the vertical values into horizontal value. That is
yeah.
called V lookup. And H lookup is the reverse one. Horizontal value to vertical value. So you have done here is H lookup. You have converted the row value into column value.
Maybe like I use HLOOKUP for like we have Excel sheet, so it contains Excel data. So
Yes.
in Excel data we need another column like so adding some values we use HLOOKUP. Like like in another we can take another Excel sheet within that one. So we use VLOOKUP. We accessing the before previous Excel sheet. I think it can possible.
What?
Like
You're telling me something I'm not able to understand.
wait,
You know H lookup and V lookup.
wait. So wait, it's not on. So like in this one, like here we need to add like so we need to take a value from this Excel sheet from here, like copied from this to this
This
Excel
is
sheet.
that. Okay, yeah.
So we
Yes.
can use VLOOKUP function here. So it can possible. Maybe like I think possible.
But it converted into vertical. That whole horizontal value will be converted to vertical.
Okay. I don't know. Like I use for an like task for data analyst. I just learned some things in Excel sheet. That's it.
I know equations right now. I'm not remembering because it's been lots of days I have done the Excel uh, analysis and visualization. I also know how visualize in Excel.
Okay.
We can do like analysis in Excel as well, and it
So
is
like
very easy.
yeah. So first we had like in pandas we have completed all the topics. Like you know about how to creating a data like columns in that and using dictionaries like using with the dictionary or without
I think
dictionary.
the dictionary we have not started yet.
Yeah, we started dictionaries in pandas.
We have, okay, yes. In pandas we have done dictionary. Yeah.
Yeah, in pandas we get done with the dictionary creating a column, without dictionary
Yes.
creating column, and
Creating a
with
call.
dictionary we can create multiple columns also completed, and then
Yes.
like we completed some operations in pandas.
So
So
right now it's done from for
so
this.
that no, it's like we have to do income more. So
Okay, yeah.
some about like data types. So in pandas we done how to creating a columns,
Yes.
and then you know about like the head function and tail function and describe function,
Yeah, describe function, head function, and
tail
tail
function,
function. Tail function is the last,
last elements.
yes, last sequence or last values.
Yeah.
and head function shows the starting some rows values.
Yes. So here we need to know about like which data type it contains. So we use like D type.
Okay, what is it? D type?
It's a data type. It represents.
Data type. Okay, okay, okay.
So it shows like int 64. Int. Like here we are using like int value. Int is one,
Okay,
and
integer
then
values.
two. Yes. So like mm, okay, we're considering this array, and then okay, and then this that here a is equal to, and
Mm.
then b is equal to np dot array of a comma, and then d type like equal
Okay,
to, we consider as float.
what
And
happened
then
this?
so it like float means it contains 1.0 like this. So it shows like float values. So we are changing the data type into to float here.
Okay, okay,
So in data set like in the list like one is int. So we are changing one dot means like one dot means after that it contains either zero or not, like it's not, like we don't need. So one dot means it represents the float value.
okay. So, what is the use case?
Maybe like I don't know, but we use in some cases.
Okay,
So when we check this, it shows like float
float value.
data type
Okay, so you have converted the integer, whole
into
integer
float,
into float.
float value.
Okay.
And then yeah, here this one contains a, and then taking this value and then find accessing like a of 0. So it shows the first list. Means in, so this is like list. The,
Yeah,
okay,
that
the
is
two
the
are list. The two lists are in like in a list.
yes, two list in a single list.
So in like the two lists are in a single list. So in 1, 2, 3, 4 are the index 0
In
elements.
zeroth position, yes.
Yeah, it's
The
in
other
first
is
position.
on first position.
Yes. And then we need
Okay.
to like a of 0. And then this is for like this this list. A of 0 is for this list. And then
Mm-hmm.
so we need like fourth element.
Fourth element. So it will
So
print.
like
I
index
think
4,
fourth is not there. Three.
not as a 3.
Three. So 0 to 3
So
one means
so
zeroth
in
list.
0th
In that
index,
list, the third position is contain four number.
yeah.
Okay, now I
So
understand.
this is we are accessing the data to slice.
Hmm.
Yeah. And then next topics mm, okay, like we are considering a list a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and then writing another list is equal to 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. Okay,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
then so like c is equal to np dot array of like a comma b,
Hmm.
and then c. Wait, okay, we're given in the list.
In the list, okay.
So it shows the two dimensional.
Hmm. But instead of writing like this, we can write in a single line.
Yeah, we
np
can
dot
like
array and in bracket. You can give 1, 2, 3, 4 in a square bracket, and in another square bracket 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, we can access this also. Then C of 0 means like first row, and then minus comma minus 1
What
represents
will
value
print?
is 4. Yeah.
4, okay.
So in 0 it considering the first index, so first list, and then minus 1 represents the last element. In
Last
slicing, like,
element.
yeah, in slicing, like it starts from left to right, it starts from 0. In right to
Yes,
left, it starts from minus 1.
-1.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you know about slicing like 1 is to 4, etc.
Yes, 1 is to 4 means the first and the last
Yes.
fourth in the fourth position value.
Up to, so it shows, so this is first zeroth index and then this is first index.
Yes.
So like it prints only the first index, like it doesn't contains any like second index, etc. Like we can consider 1 is to 2, like it shows the same output. So
Why
here
is
you can,
showing this same output?
so like if I given here 4, so it doesn't contains like index 4 here, so it takes only from index 1 only.
Index 1 and
And like there is no second index and there is no third index, there is no
okay,
fourth
yes,
index.
yes, yes. Only 0
So
and first.
yeah, it shows like only the first index value. So it contains
Understand.
from
Understand.
2, then here 0. So it shows that
Okay.